let's look at arithmetic progression. Okay, arithmetic or progression. You guys writing, look up and tell you have not taught you this. Look up. And what is this arithmetic progression? Arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a type of sequence or a type of progression that the sequence or the numbers either increase or decrease with a constant difference. They either increase or decrease with a constant difference. For example, if you have a sequence of the form 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. In this case, there difference here. The difference that exists between this sequence. By the time we take two numbers here, assume the two numbers will be what? 2 and 1. Let's assume the two numbers will be what? 2 and 1. Now there are difference. The difference between 2 and 1 will now be what? 2 minus 1, and this will give us what? 1. Do you understand? Now let's again pick another number. Let's pick another set of numbers. 2 and what? 3. Now the difference here will now be 3 minus what? 2. And this will also give us what? 1. Therefore, this implies that their difference here is what? 1. The difference between 2 and 1 will be what? 1. The difference between 3 and 2 will be what? 1. The difference between 4 and 3 will be what? 1. This is a type of what? Arithmetic progression. They increase, in this case they are increasing with a constant difference. And the difference here is what? Is 1. The difference here is what? Is 1. The difference is 1. And then the formula for finding the end term of an arithmetic progression is given to be UN, which is the end term. UN represents the end term, which is the same thing as A plus A to N minus 1 all multiplied by D. Now let's now define the parameters. Let's now define the variables. And the variables here are what? We have A. A here means what? The first 10. A means what? Our first 10. And then our N means what? The number of terms. N is what? The number of 10. And then our D, which is what? D, which is what? Our difference. D means what? The difference. D means what? Difference. We have UN to be equal to A plus into N minus 1 all multiplied by D. And in this case, our A, which is the first 10, and N is the number of 10, and our D, which is the difference that exists between the sequence. And in this case, as if you now consider our sequence to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the rest of them. Here, our first term will be A. If you now consider this sequence, our A here will now be what? Will be 1, and then the difference will also be 1, of course, right? Because the difference that exists between these numbers will now be 1. The difference will be 1. And here, maybe we are asked to find maybe the 8th term. If we are asked to find the 8th term here, we'll now substitute from here, which is a U8, will now be equal to what? 1. Since the first term, which is 1, plus into what? The number of term, which is 8, okay? The number of term is 8, minus 1, and then the difference is what? Is 1. Here, our U8, which is the 8th term, will now be 1, plus 7 multiplied by 1. And this will be sent as 1 plus 1, plus 7, and this is what? 8. Therefore, the 8th term will now be what? 8. The 8th term will be what? Will be 8. Now, let's see how we can solve this example. Given the arithmetic progression, and then the progression, or the sequence is 9, we have 12, we have 15, we have 18, and then to infinity. The question is that we should find the 8th term. The question said we should do what? Find the 8th term. Now here, we now take our solution. We now take our solution using our UN, which is the same thing as A plus into n minus 1, all multiplied by D. And from that we said our A is the first term, and n is the number of term, and our D is the difference that exists between them. Now in this case, that we should find the 8th term. Now consider this sequence, we have 8 to what? 18. Now here, our A will be what? 9. The first term will be what? Will be 9. And then our difference, which is D, will now be the 12 minus what? 12 minus 9. And this will be what? 3. Right? That will be 3. And here, our N, which is what? Our N, which is 8. By the time we substitute our U8, I will have 9 plus into what? We have 8 minus 1, all multiplied by what? Multiplied by 3. This is the same thing as what? This is the same thing as 9. 9 plus into 7 multiplied by 3. And this will be the same thing as 9. This will be the same thing as 9 plus 21. And this is what? 30. Therefore, our U8 will now be equal to what? 30. And then the 8th term from this progression, our 8th term will be equal to what? 30. Our 8th term will be equal to 30. Now let's see how we can find the second, the next question, which is what? The 99th term. Let's see how we can find the 99th term. Now for the 99th term, we have which is a U99, which is a U99. If we have U99, which is the same thing as A plus into n minus 1, all multiplied by D. Here, remember we are still using the same sequence, and the sequence is 9, 12, 15, 18 to infinity, okay? So that here our A will be 9, N will be 99, and then our D is the same word 3, which is the constant difference, the difference that exists between the sequence. Now here, by the time we substitute here, if you now substitute, we have our U99 to be equal to what? This will be equal to 9 plus into 99 minus 1 multiplied by 3. Our U99 will be equal to 9 plus 98 multiplied by 3. Now if we have 98 multiplied by 3, this is the same thing as well. Now 3 times 8, that will be 3 times 8, that will be 24, right? We have 16 plus 8, that will be 24. We now write our 4, then move our 1. Now 3 times 9, that will be 27. Now 27 plus 1, 27 plus 1, that will be 27 plus 1, that will be 28. Therefore, 98 multiplied by 3 will be 282. Now, if you have 98 multiplied by 3, this is the same thing as well. Now, 8 in 3 places. And by the time we have 8 in 3 places, what do we have? This will give us 16 plus 4, that will be 24. Write 4. This marker, write 4. This will be 4. And here, this will give us 27. 27 plus 27 plus 2, that will be, okay, this will be 294. Therefore, RU 99 will be equal to 9 plus 294. Therefore, RU 99 will be equal to 3. Okay, we have 294 plus 9. This is 13. This will be 0. Okay, 303. This will now be the same thing as 303. Therefore, RU 99 will be equal to 303. And that will be final answer.